Hey peeps, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video. And if you have the Google Pixel 7 or the Google Pixel 7 Pro and you feel that you have random Wi-Fi disconnects on this device, then let us try to fix that issue in this video. So, how do you fix it? You will go into settings, then you will go into system. Herein, scroll down, go into reset options. You will see a bunch of different options. The option which we are looking for is reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Select this option. Now, if you have any eSIM downloaded, I would recommend you uncheck this option because downloaded eSIMs have nothing to do with your resetting these things like the Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. So once you have ensured that you're not deleting your eSIM, we are going to say reset settings over here, and on the next screen you do need to enter your PIN. Now once you've entered your PIN, you need to tap on this enter button on the bottom right and you need to say reset settings one more time, and at this point our Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and network settings are being reset now. Super important thing to note over here is that once you reset it, it is going to forget all the Wi-Fi networks to which you have connected in the past. Your SIM is going to get connected once again on its own, but your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, all those things are going to be reset. So you will have to connect again to your Wi-Fi networks and to your Bluetooth devices as well. And another trick which I would like to suggest if you are having Wi-Fi issues on your Pixel 7 or the Google Pixel 7 Pro is you go into settings. Once you are in settings, go into network and internet. Herein, go into internet and go into the settings option besides your specific Wi-Fi. So we will go into settings over here, and for privacy make sure you are using device Mac, because if you are using randomized Mac then you might have issues wherein it disconnects, or even if you are in range it is disconnecting pretty often. So that issue can be fixed by changing the privacy from randomized Mac to device Mac. And the last thing you can try is you can go into settings, then you will go into network and internet, scroll down, go into adaptive connectivity and turn this toggle off if it is on by default, because what I have personally noticed is that with adaptive connectivity on, the Wi-Fi signal strength, if it is like below a specific level, it automatically shifts over to 5G or 4G or your mobile data, even though that strength is good enough for your pages to load, your Wi-Fi to work absolutely fine. So I'm not sure at what threshold Google decides to switch over from Wi-Fi to mobile data if this adaptive connectivity toggle is on, and hopefully these tips and tricks do help you fix the Wi-Fi issues on your Google Pixel 7 or the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And if it is still not working for you, then I think the other option is to go ahead and perform a device replacement under the factory warranty provided by Google.